Shop Talk. Looking at the Husqvarna 480 chainsaw. This was a one owner. A customer of mine had bought this many years ago and used it on a job and put it away, and he's decided to sell it, so I've got it for sale. 77 cc's. I did do a compression check on it. It has 150 psi. This one features a 24-inch bar and chain, sprocket nose. That's a Windsor bar, and a 3/8 full comp, meaning the sequence between the teeth is very close. You can see that. Chain is used, but in very good shape, almost like new. And we'll take a close-up look at some of the features it has. This one has a Tungsten HS carburetor on it. Kill switch is right here on the left. And here's your kill switch. Choke is on the right. Pull it out. Has a throttle lock. You squeeze the trigger and this operator presence lever all the way down, and that trips it at a quarter throttle. Makes it easier to start this high compression engine. Talked about the hand protectors and foot pads. This has one. It works as a hand protector. When a chain throwing incident, it helps protect your hand. Functions as a foot pad when starting this high compression engine. You want to have your foot in the foot pad. Good grip on the handlebar, and you can start this on the ground safer and easier that way. Got a large falling spike. Chain tensioner, loosen the two nuts up here. Right on the inside is the chain tensioner screw. Large volume muffler, and a working chain brake. That works good. Very clean, very nice shape, and we'll go outside and make a cut with this saw. Also comes with the original owner's manual, and it's got some great maintenance in there. Parts breakdown, always a nice thing to have. And then it has the original advertisement for it, which is pretty neat too. You don't see those every day. Has the technical data on it too. Anyway, we'll go outside and make a cut with this saw.